Okay, when I come around, I look at the nose of the airplane. First thing I look at is this pin. About half the operators will have that pin. It'll actually be a solid pin that you can't remove. We have ours so it's a quick disconnect, and you can remove it. The nose on both sides, paddle latches, is where the ICAS messages are at. You have to, normally when you look at the pictures, that's what it looks like, but you can't open the door unless you see orange like that. When we store this, typically more than a few days, pull these breakers here for the standby indicators, right? So I'm going to push those in, make sure we have that. And I'm going to look at, you have a drain right there, make sure that's not open, it's closed. I look at the bite indicators for the brakes. Okay. You have the hydraulic or the blow down bottle for the gear is right there, nitrogen bottle. Just look at all the avionics, make sure everything. I think if you have something wrong, it'll typically jump out at you. So make sure with the paddle latches for the ICAS messages, we'll lock the door and close that. Take this off. That side's good. Looking at the nose of the airplane, no damage to the nose, windshield's clean. Taking all these covers off. Have birds and bugs that like to nest in there, and I've had bugs come in here and clog these up. So we always put the covers on, whether we're in the hangar or outside. Okay. See how that's black? Turn it to the orange. Reach under here. Press the paddle latches. Check, there's another drain right there. Make sure that's closed. Look at this. See how this says off right there, and it's on there, and it's moved all the way forward. It has the lock wire in place, because you see here where the lines are. This line is a blowout. That's green. That can be missing, but you still have to look at the pressures. The green cover is just a little placard, so sometimes that falls out. You see the pressure here, and we have a fill that we can fill it there, but that has to be on. If it's off, you'll still get pressure there, you'll still get pressure inside. Look at the other side of this. Checking the wheel itself, you can see how this pin has a locking wire right there. So if that is pinned properly, that cannot come undone. And then you always have towing instructions right here. If you don't remember, you still have all the towing instructions.